Police are on the hunt for two suspects, one of whom reportedly engaged the cops in a shootout when they responded to the scene of a triple murder on King Street in Montego Bay, St. James on Tuesday. Two firearms were reportedly seized following the melee. The suspects have been identified as John Roach and Kashim Lewis. Roach is also a person of interest in a previous shooting incident. They are wanted in connection with the killing of 26-year-old Rashawn Antonio Williams, 17-year-old student Jadon Verrill Bennett, and 62-year-old fisherman David West out of King Street addresses in the parish. According to Commander of the St. James Police Division, Superintendent Samuels, lawmen received reports of a shooting in the Upper King Street area around 5 p.m. The police responded immediately, but a shootout with Roach ensued when they got to the scene. The suspect escaped in a gully, leaving behind two weapons, SP Samuel said. During an investigation of the scene, Williams was found on the main road with a gunshot wound to the left side of his face and upper body, while Bennett was found on a bridge with gunshot wounds to the right side of his neck. West had gunshot wounds to the right side of his face and was found in his yard. The victims were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. A 24-year-old man remains in hospital after he was shot and injured by gunmen while returning from a funeral in St. Catherine on Sunday. The victim had reportedly just left the burial of a friend in St. Catherine about 5 p.m. when a motorcycle approached him at a stoplight along St. John's Road, Spanish Town. He was fired upon by the occupants of the motorcycle and was hit in the lower body and legs. The occupants of the motorbike sped away. The man was assisted to hospital where he was admitted. It's understood that the funeral attended by the victim was another gunshot victim, Marcus Bailey, a resident of Majestic Garden, Kingston 11. The Matilda Connors Police in St. Andrew are seeking the public's assistance to locate a man from England and Jamaica who has gone missing in St. Andrew since Tuesday, July 2. He is 49-year-old Dave Wright of a Pilot Walk address in England and Wellington Glades, St. Andrew. Reports from the police are that Wright was last seen heading to Knutsford Express in New Kingston, St. Andrew. His mode of dress then is unknown. All efforts to locate him since then have been unsuccessful. Anyone with information on his whereabouts is asked to contact the Matilda's Corner Police, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station.